In this video, I am going to demonstrate some basic exercises to improve dynamic strength and endurance of elbow muscles. And in these simple exercises, we will do some elbow extension exercises to improve performance of tricep brachii and anconeus muscle. Let's get started with video. For that purpose, first exercise, for that patient will be in supine position with a shoulder flexed to 90 degree, holding a weight in hand. And then to stabilize the humerus, patient can use other hand so that humerus is maintained in 90 position with opposite hand. And then patient begin with elbow flexion and then extend elbow, as well as frequently extend and flex the elbow, lift and slowly lower the weight. To strengthen the elbow extensors concentrically and eccentrically. Second exercise that would be helpful to increase elbow extension. Patient will be in prone position, humerus abducted to 90 degree and supported on a rolled towel on a treatment table. And then you have to extend the elbow while holding a weight. This position strengthens the elbow extensors from 90 degree of flexion to terminal extension. Third exercise, to activate long head of tricep with elbow extension. Patient will be in sitting position with arm held over the head and elbow will be flexed so the weight is near to the shoulder. And then patient have to lift the weight overhead and then slowly lower the weight for concentric and eccentric strengthening. Back should be straight. Elbow should not move back and forth, and elbow should not be flared out or abducted. To perform this exercise, patient should have sufficient control of shoulder joint muscles. So all three exercises will helpful to activate triceps and anconeus muscle to gain terminal elbow extension, as well as these exercises will be beneficial to improve dynamic strength and endurance of elbow joint.